Glopla tu hane de walatala tutupu ke latami apia pine. Good evening, here's our new top stories for this evening. Filavia ililifu palemia moi feliciteni hasaina. Premier meets China's president for bilateral talks. Whanawanga he matako Niue Ocean-wide ki he tau mango. Niue Ocean-wide meeting on issues pertaining to sharks. Whanawanga Pacific Immigration Directors Conference, annual Pacific Immigration Directors Conference. Ko whelawia e lilifu e ke pule Sir Toke Tālangi mo i pelesiteni ha saina ko Xi Jinping ke matuta ke tau whakatutalaanga ke tau amamana ki anga ke lata mo i motu hariwe mo atu ke he matanga hua i lalo hifo he whakaloanga Belt and Road Initiative. Haha iai e tau monuina ko whita he maua i niwe mai he whakawhetu ianga mo saina ne mailonga e Sir Toke Tālangi tungai tau langamata ianga mai taunga hua ke hiki ianga he matangi leweki ianga ke takataka i motu puipui ianga ke moana haniwe moi whalu foki. Kolo tolu foki ne potoia ke whaloanga Belt and Road Initiative koi tau motu ha Samoa, Kuki Ailani, Tonga, Fisi moi tau motu Melanisia. Whakatokolonga e Sir Toke Tālangi e motu hasaina moi hana a takitaki hako langamatai whakalahi e motu haniwe ke whakamoli e taumatanga hua haniwe moi tau manako ke maua e munuina maniwe. Tūmau e tau whakaoe he palemia ke tau langamatai ianga moi tūmau ke whakamalolo e whakawhetu ianga moi motu hasaina. Premier Sir Toke Tālangi has met with China's President Xi Jinping discussing bilateral ties and cooperation. The Chinese president met with leaders of Pacific Island countries that have diplomatic relations with China to exchange views on bilateral ties and pragmatic cooperation during the APEC summit in Port Moresby on Friday.
In his meeting with the Premier, Xi stressed that China will continue to follow a policy of pursuing the greater good and shared interests and uphold the principle of sincerity, real results, amity and good faith in developing its relations with Niue. Xi told the Premier the Chinese side welcomes the active participation by the Niue side in the Belt and Road Cooperation so as to realize connectivity with countries in the region and beyond. China, Xi said, is ready to strengthen cooperation with Niue in the fields of climate change, South-South cooperation, maritime affairs, environmental protection, and promote green, low-carbon and sustainable development. The Premier said Niue adheres to the One China policy and treasures the friendship and cooperation with China. The Premier told the Chinese President Niue speaks highly of China's active efforts in tackling climate change, appreciates China's support in such areas as transportation and infrastructure, and is ready to strengthen cooperation with the Chinese side in various areas and coordination on international affairs. Pacific Island countries that have signed up to China's Belt and Road Initiative include Niue, Samoa, Cook Islands, Vanuatu, Tonga, Fiji, and the Federated States of Micronesia. The Belt and Road Initiative is an ambitious effort to improve regional cooperation and connectivity on a transcontinental scale. The initiative aims to strengthen infrastructure, trade, and investment links between China and some 65 other countries. Sofia Koroitanoa, BCN News.
Kia māmai ni awhi, ne whakahoko e kautaha Niue Ocean-wide Project, whakalata moi whainga hua, whonua toa kau moi fusieka, tā whakaroanga hanga uia ke tau mango, moi tau le kua ko tutupu, moi he malikisi hake anga, he tau no mela mango nei. Toko tau le tau pulotu, ne hukui e tau matakau Oceans 5, Pristine Seas, Hawaii University, ne kua hoko mai, paua ki ke lamatai moi whekau nei. Lawi ki ai ke whai anawanga ke tau se tā kumikumianga paua ki moi le kua nei. Ko lo tolu tau pulotu ko Jess Cramp, Alan Friedlander, mo Michelle. Ne talahau whalu e tata ngata talahau ua ke fusi ika he to whia aniwe, nā kai whiawhia lau tolu ke he tuanga e tau mango, hakua malikisi e tau numuela mango ke mangau nei. Mua atu e oka he whekau fusi ika ke tau waka ke mangau nei, ka whakataitai atu ke lau tolu ni fusi ika he tau posi, pese he tatai e tau le kua, mas ke lea tau ngata he waka, hane uka tuaini moi ato ke tō mai e tau aho awhololoa mo maua e tau ika. Lali whakalai e tau pulotu ke langmatai ke maua tau tupe ke whakatupe e tau kumikumianga nei. Haha iai e pulenga, ke tau e tau pokiata ke tau poi moi whalua pohala foki, ke whakamailonga hena whi ne nonofo moi o whano ai e tau mango, tau wahenga ke moi ko hai foki ne lauia ke le kua nei. Amana ki whakalahi e taupu lotu ki ngā hua o loa mo i tau tangata whawhakaonga e puketahi aniwe ke lang matui mo i whakasino whakaulahi nei. Tōliwe matakau nei ke whakahoko halau tōlua whanawanga ke ua ki ke whale whano hatuapa he awhiawhia mngaho ke lata mo lau tōlu tau tangata Fusika ke whai tongelo kai atai whaloanga nei mo lau tōlu osi ne whia o atu ke maua taha anga ma lau tōlu. The culling of sharks was highlighted at a meeting hosted by the Niue Ocean Wide Project yesterday at the Niue Golf and Sports Club. The incessant number of sharks that have implicated boat and canoe fisheries has been of major concern previously, but more recently their prevalence has exacerbated the notion to killing them all. A statement made by a local fisherman yesterday seemed to be the best solution, by the many fishermen even taking matters already into their own hands and doing just that. It was attended by local canoe and boat fishermen, as with experts Jess Cramp from Oceans 5 and Sharks Pacific and Alan Friedlander, Chief Scientist for Pristine Seas and Professor at the Hawaii University. The primary issue that resonated was the loss of effort, time and money spent on all gear and bait that straight away gets consumed by the sharks, which are not in short supply as duly noted in yesterday's discussions. Shark expert Jess stressed it was necessary to get the opinion of daily users of the ocean and to obtain a holistic approach as to what is really happening. Alan Friedlander added the importance of working closely with the experts, the fishermen themselves, and gearing towards the research that lies ahead. The aim is to seek funding for the research and to conduct research as early as possible and to deploy remote cameras to the fish aggregating devices known as FADs to ascertain shark numbers, especially around the FADs. Ke whai tapu ko male ne ka whakata toko hongwhuruma tōle tau uru whakatonu he kautaha Pacific Immigration Development Community ke lata moi whanawanga lahi whakahingoa ai koi Pacific Immigration Directors Conference ke Scenic Matawai Resort. Ne whakamatapatu e whanawanga ke tau le koa ha koi tau tangata o atu moi o mai ke Pasifika pihea moi tau langmatai ke lata moi tau whanawanga ngā hua halau tōlu. Nā kai ko Niue ki loto he pō nei, kai haha iai e tau langmatai mai tau motu tunga Niue ne Potowia ke kautaha Pacific Immigration Development Community. Ka kano he matakau nei ke whakaholo e tau matanga hua ko whakakatafa ai e tau uru whakatunu nei. Haha iai fōki e a tāina ke whakaleo ha tau tōlu a tau manatu po ke tau le kua tunga e Labour Mobility ke he matakau nei. Ko he matanga hua lahi, he kautaha nei ke kumikumi e tau puhala ke whakahangami Turkey, e tonga hua hangawia ke tau tangata o atu moi o mai ke Pasifika, moi fua ke langmatai whakakoanga foki ke whaholo ki mua e tau matanga hua nei he tau motu taki toko taha. Ne whakaosi halo tōla tau whanawanga ke māmea autu lotu he whai tapu kua mole. The Pacific Immigration Development Community's Directors Conference was held last week at the Scenic Matawai Resort with 13 participants in attendance. The Pacific Immigration Development Community aids countries via immigration strengthening, such as that of maintaining immigration integrity, border control, and training opportunities, including that of technological advancements, such as facial recognition training. The board meets annually to discuss issues to date, challenges and work outputs and deliverables by the Secretariat based in Samoa, formerly based in Fiji. While Niue is not on the board, the benefits are shared with all member countries whereby concerns are expressed to the board, of whom can facilitate assistance, where currently a shared output is that of reviewing national legislative frameworks. Toko e pulotu e ke kāwho kua whenanga mai ke motu ki lamatai e whainga hua malalo seno ke ta au se tau whakakoanga ke lewekianga he ngā ngāo suka mo siwi ke tau alohui ki alo tōlu kua maua he ngā ngāo suka. Haha iai fōki tā nosi loto matala ke ngā ngāo suka mo i tau whanga kai ke lata mo i ngā ngāo suka kua whakalata mo laua i tau pulotu ke whakalaulahi ke tau wahenga kai kua lata ke kai. Pia fōki mo i tau kai ni lamatai ke tului e ngā ngāo suka. Kua manaki ke tau se e tau whakakoanga nei ke Niue Golf and Sports Club ma te hala lema he awhiawhia pungi. For the first time, the Niue Department of Health will be hosting a diabetes foot care awareness program to raise awareness on how you can best care for your feet when you have diabetes. This awareness program will be facilitated by 2 visiting diabetes podiatrist specialists, Simon Spates and Khan Puri, who are currently working with the team at Health this week. A diabetes nurse specialist, Harriet Paunga, will also be available if you need information about the types of foods that you will need to eat to help control your diabetes. The awareness session will be held tomorrow, Wednesday, 21st November, at the Niue Golf and Sports Club from 5 p.m. Kia awha iumu, kia awhakatai hatoi ne whakatoi ai, he tā whale whakafuakai e whakaongaanga, he masini totongi e pos mō totongi aki e ha loto kai ne whakatau. Ko e whakaholoanga nei ne langmatai he Kiwi Bank, whakaonga he matapatu telefoni 4G. Ko toi e maanga whakamoa ki whakatai e puhala totongi hila nei, ki e mai he oa tupaua ki ke whale tā ki tupe, ke lata moi tau aho whakatata. Nā ka iloa mahino ki he mga hao nei, koe matutaki ha koe whakataianga whakamoa a nei ne tau se he Kiwi Bank. Could EFTPOS be used to purchase goods at show days? That possibility was tested at the show day held at Toi on Saturday. The electronic payment system was trialled at only one of the vendors at the show day using the 4G network. Currently, people have to cash out at the bank or supermarket before heading to the show day. However, at this stage, it was only a trial by Kiwi Bank, which hasn't confirmed on whether there are future plans to roll out the electronic payment system at show days. Ke he oki wā tapu, ko Māori ne tolong e tō tangata ne tolo atu ki e aho whakatata he maanga hatui. Furufuru ala e tau lanu kehe mo i tau ngā hoa lima ne kua whakamana ia aki e tau whale whakafua he tau tangata he maanga. Toi tōlu nui e maanga ne nā kaila whakahoko halo tōlu e tau aho whakatata, ke lata mo i tau nei. Kua whakakatoa toa he aho whakatata hatoi ki tau whakawhiawhia mo he tau matakau he maanga. The community of Toi hosted their annual show day last Saturday with the best of their agricultural produce showcased along with the women's finest of handicrafts. The crowd was entertained with various performances by the villagers of Toi as well as competition activities. 3 more show days will be held this year. Si pena hatutolo to tala tutupu ke lata me pulipo nei. That ends our news stories for this evening. We hope you can join us for this coming Thursday.